Hi, this is layout view. We're going to create a simple 3D walkthrough for a 2D flat layout. I'm going to start by signing in. Once I sign in, I will see this dashboard, and I'm going to click on create new project, select the image of the layout. Uh, this can work with PNG, JPEG files, and the layout can be in color or black and white. Really, anything works. So we're going to select that and just wait for it to create. All right. As you can see, the editor is loading, and this is the layout that we selected. Uh, it's quite faded right now, and that's on purpose so that when you draw on top of this, you can see the drawings, but you can toggle off the fading if you like by clicking on this button. Um, on this, we have to draw walls, doors, furniture, windows, and an entry point. So as you can see, we have windows here, we have walls, the black lines are the walls, these are the doors, furniture all around. Um, and you can zoom in, either pinch to zoom, or you can press command or control and scroll. You can zoom in that way. um, let's see how wall drawing works. So you click on the wall tool and start just drawing on top of the wall here. So like so. Once I draw a wall, I can uh, move it around. So if I click on M, and I can move around vertexes, or I can even create uh, different shapes, and so on and so forth. I can undo with Control Z or Command Z, or even the undo button here. So here we've added one wall, and we're going to add another wall here. So we're going to click on this and then sort of all the way here. So as you can see here, it connects the two walls together. um, I'm going to edit this wall to sort of make it end over here. So I'm going to click on the wall and click on the segment and press on delete. So that's sort of a cleaner thing. Now we have a window over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this wall, press M, and move this vertex over here. I'm going to select the window tool, click on this once again, and from here go all the way up till this window ends. Select the wall once again and complete this one, right? And we're also going to essentially add this wall. So as you can see, these wall gets connected, but it's bending over here. So I'm going to press M and sort of straighten this up a bit. All right. This is the window as well, so I'm going to move it all the way to the window and then create the window over here, and then the rest of this wall. And that's this part of the wall going up, and till this window, and then from this window till here, going up, going all the way here. And I'm going to fill in the window parts, so from here to here, and over here to here. Alright, so we are done with all the walls and the windows using the wall and the window tools. Now let's move to the doors. So we click on the door tool and we essentially connect two walls together. We can adjust the walls using the M key. So we press the M key and move this around to make this straight. We connect this as well. and this. So once again, let's adjust. Right. And there's no door over here, so we're going to let this be empty. This is of course the entry point for the house. And one more door here. Okay. Next we're going to select furniture, and we're going to essentially draw boxes um, around the various furnitures that we have in the flat drawing, and we can adjust the boxes this way and this as well, and over here. Alright, so we can see that we've annotated all the furniture, um, well, most of the furniture, the walls, the windows, the doors, and finally we need to put an entry point. So that's over here, and we're done. Yeah, give the we have to give the scale of the floor. So let's say that we know that this door is approximately 3 feet wide. So we can actually draw a wall that matches this door, just like that. Click on the wall and set the scale here to be 3 feet. And then click on this button, and then we can delete this wall, right? And now let's go into the 3D view and see what we see. There you go. So a couple of things here. One is you can use your mouse to look, uh, and you can press spacebar to open the doors or close them. You can't really walk through doors, so you have to sort of open them before you can walk through them by pressing space. And here we can have this view. We see the windows, we see the walls, we see the furniture. This is sort of the area where we have the sofa and the table. This is the television. This is the table. This is sort of the kitchen area, and this is a room, and this is the washroom for that, and this is another room. Yeah, so you can basically navigate the what you just sort of created. You can press F for doing this in third person view. So we have a grid layout here, which is basically one by one, like a square foot grid, and you can toggle it off by pressing G. And finally, we have a top-down view. So you click on the letter T, and then you can see the model rendered in 3 dimensions. And you can zoom in using E and zoom out using Q. And the nice thing about this is that you see also the actual source annotation, so the 2D layout laid on top of on the floor of this grid. So it makes it easy for to understand where things are as well. So for example, I intentionally did not mark this as a furniture, even though it should have been, but you can see nonetheless that from the 2D drawing you can see that okay, this is something that's a furniture. And open and close doors, and um, yeah, and you can share this with anyone that you need. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.